Shopify is a great place to start and selling your product online with like a customer store, making your own website professionally. It's a great way to earn money online. But how can you enable set up your customer account in Shopify? It's pretty easy. What you need to do is follow this guideline. Open your Shopify homepage by logging in. You already know how to do that. Click on settings, go to the customer account. Under the login links, turn on the option of show login links. Select on the classic. After selecting on classic, make sure you save this. Saving is important. If you prefer reducing login friction, you can now add new customer experience, which eliminates the customer's remember password. On your Shopify homepage, click on the customer's account. Under login links, click on the new. After click on the new option, just simple save it. After saving it, boom, your customer's account experience will be enhanced. So this was how you can set up customer account in Shopify in just simple steps. So Shopify is a great platform to share your earnings and stuff. You can share products online, different kind of products, and I'll see you in the next one.